In this video, I'm going to show you how we can easily use Siri instead of Hey Siri to activate Siri on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings and then scroll down until we find Siri and Search. Here at the very top it says listen for, it says Hey Siri now, so we can use this voice command to activate Siri. However, if we would like to say just Siri without Hey, we can also easily configure it in this way if we tap right here. All we have to do now is just select the first option, which is called Siri or Hey Siri, and then we can activate it just by saying Siri, show me the weather forecast. That's how you can easily activate saying Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.